Sometimes I use my battery.
Beautiful out. At first it was raining. We're out here. Turn 14 distribution meet. I don't know what we're doing. We're just kind of cruising along. I'm just getting shots of the cars. I was gonna use my new camera today. The weather, just decided not to. There's so many. I'm shooting this one on GoPro today. That's what we're doing.
Get that to be on. Okay, this is the biggest one.
We got fast movers, flyovers, baby, flyovers. I thought for a second that my favorite would be in the show, that'd be that not an Evo. What was it? V6, V7? I don't know what it was, honestly. I'm not a Mitsubishi guy, let's be real. And then my eyes just spotted that EG just sitting there. Look at that thing. Wow. Anyways, my favorite car obviously is gonna be none other than this GC here. This thing is stunting, to say the least, man. All mines. Got the strobe. This car is a good example of what everybody should shoot for when building their Imprezas. If you haven't bought one for 25K yet, buy one and then pull some hair out. Probably take some money out of your kids' college fund, and then you come up with something like this. Beautiful. H6 swapped. This car smacks. Dude, what you got? Oh, you rode with him? I was like, oh, okay.
See this?
Yo.
Custom printed.
He printed that?
Yep.
So, was this a Subaru battery already, or?
No, he took pictures from a actual Subaru battery and then made his own to the exact specifications.
Oh, sick. Yeah, I was overhearing earlier, the guy that owns the car is like a graphic designer. What's your name again, man? I'm sorry.
Dan.
Dan, I'm Tyler. Good to meet you. Are you cool with being on the channel?
Yeah.
All right, TKIRKMEDIA, Tyler. This car is, I was telling the channel, is like the example that if someone buys an RS or an L, that they should shoot for this. Not obviously that if that's gonna come near close, but this thing is beautiful, man. And I just wanted to talk about it for a moment in time.
Sure,
and
yeah,
dude, after doing my swap, the H6, seeing it in action, like in the car, is astonishing, honestly.
Thank you very much.
I remember reading about it back in the day on RS25.
Yeah, I was on RS25 for a little while, and then everything kind of started moving towards Facebook and all.
Yeah.
But I met some friends through Facebook who, a guy by the name of Twan, and he was the one who had done the swap, and he like rear-wheel drive set it up, and
Oh, okay. So it's rear-wheel drive?
His is rear-wheel drive.
Oh, that was like this? That was like,
yeah,
what?
there's a small group of guys in West Springfield, Mass.
Okay.
And they figured out the ins and outs of this motor and how to make it work. And so basically he reached out to me. He's like, hey, you want an H6? I'll help you. And
okay.
he helped me put the car together exactly how I wanted.
You guys did a good job.
Yeah,
you really did, man.
Thank
Honestly. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thanks, man.
Hope to see you in the future, man. This car looks great. I'll have to cruise sometime. It is quiet. You can't hear it over the 257. Damn. So it's not often that I geek out on Subarus like that, because honestly, then it just gets sentimental. That was good. What time is it? Damn, everybody's filling out. Holy shit, what a show. I was trying to say, this is what I thought was going to be my favorite car. It still looks beautiful. The respect I have for this car is pretty solid, but that Impreza, holy shit, man, I'm feeling good. Good to get out. Solid car show. A lot of quality. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw of it. Shot on GoPro. Thanks for signing off. TKIRKMEDIA. Another one. Come on. You think we were gonna come out here and get nothing? We gotta get something. This is some fucking beautiful countryside. What the fuck? Love it. Like, I was like, man, maybe this video isn't done. This is like literally, I mean, the trees are still dead, but it's like coming in, it's peering in. Spring is peering in. It's April. I had to go for it. Good to be out, I'm not gonna lie.
She look good, but this bitch was Thursday. I can't hydrate no little bitty birdie. I can't even go up, so I pray you know that I sleep with a 30. Let them niggas pop out just alert. Pop out on the bitch, gon' lie, just 42.
Shiz gang. Got the quads, the dirt bikes out for the weekend with the Audi. That is something.
Started fucking with a bitch, got heartbroken again. So I just leveled up my bank account and left that bitch on red. I used to be afraid of death, but now I'm born again. I used to be afraid of death, but